If you want to view your members' real-time activity in WebWork, you can do that by going into the real-time section. Here you'll be able to see information about your members that is being updated in real time. So firstly, at the top you'll be able to see the number of members, current members that are non-productive, the amount that are working now, offline, absent, on break, and on leave. Then after that we have different filters. So for example, you can filter by member, project, team, title, status, and productivity. And then on the right, you'll be able to choose what columns will appear when viewing your members. So for example, work location, project, and etc. And over here, we finally have the information about the members. So firstly, we have the member's name. Then we have work location. Here you'll be able to see if your members are working remotely or from the office. To edit the details about the office and remote locations, you can do that by going into the settings. Then you go down to tracking. After that, you can go to general. And from here, you'll be able to see the option to enable in-office remote detection. Once you enable this, you'll be able to add an office IP address. Once this is enabled, whenever a member is working outside of this IP address, it will be shown as working remotely. After that, we have project. Here you'll be able to see the current project the member is working on, as well as the task. Next, we have activity description. Here you'll be able to see their activity description. And then we have tracker. In the tracker section, you'll be able to see what tracker they're using to track their time. So for example, we can see that this user is using a desktop app to track their time. Then we have app and website. You'll be able to see the current application or website the user is using. And lastly, we have their status. So if they're online tracking their time, their status will be online. If they're on break, you'll be able to see over here that they're on break. However, if they're offline and not tracking time, they'll be shown as offline. And finally, you'll be able to see who is absent as well as who is on leave.